In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template project in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open the project you want to turn into a template. Choose a project that already has a clean and organized structure with the folders, tasks, and setup you want to reuse in future projects. Before continuing, quickly clean up the project. Remove any client-specific information, outdated files, or sensitive data. Replace anything specific with general placeholders so the structure represents your standard workflow. Once everything is ready, go to the project settings. This is usually found in the top menu or sidebar depending on your layout. Inside Settings, select Make a Template. This will capture your current project structure and turn it into a reusable blueprint without changing the original project. If you see customization options, choose only the elements that are reusable, such as tasks, structure, and organization. Avoid including anything temporary or specific to one project. Next, give your template a clear and descriptive name. Choose something easy to recognize, like Marketing Template or Web Project Starter, so your team can quickly identify it later. Finally, click Save to confirm your template. And that's it. You've successfully created a template project in Basecamp. Now you can use this template anytime to start new projects faster, stay consistent, and reduce setup time across your team.